Welcome guys, I'm Sumit from Backbench Coder. So in the last video I have designed this resume component, right? So in this video I'll be designing this projects component. So let's look at the wireframe. So in the projects component there is a little navbar which is basically categorized into four or five technologies, and then this is a single component, a single project cut component which is rendered multiple times. And this project cut component consists of the image of the project and then the name of the project, and this is a GitHub icon where if you click it will redirect you to your GitHub directory, right? And this whole component will be wrapped inside a container and row so that we can make it responsive. One important note here, I will be designing this navbar, this little navbar inside the projects component. This one I will be designing this at last because it needs a bit of functionality, so I need to create the base of the projects component and then I will implement this. Because what this navbar does, like if you click on this all, it will list out all the projects, and then if you click on React, it will list out only those projects which is made with React, and then the same for Node, same for MongoDB. So at first I need the basic all the list of projects, and then I will implement the functionality. So let's make this one, this projects card. Okay, so find the projects component in components folder, and this components folder, this projects component. So again let's make the basic skeleton, which is div dot, I'll put this inside a container and then I will give it a class which is projects. Okay, and then let's give it a row, that is cool. And now I need to perform JavaScript here. And again guys, I will follow the same approach as the resume and the resume and about component. I'll create a array of objects and then map over it and render a component with different data. And let's say what I need in this case. So in this case I need this project image, the deployed version URL, and then project name, the GitHub link. Okay, and then I need a list which will basically consist of all the technologies used in this project, right? Let me show you what I mean. Okay, so let's create another folder which will be inside this component, and then this is data. Okay, and then inside the data create a file, and let's say projects underscore data.js, and here I'll create the array of objects. Okay, so in this case I will copy, I have prepared the data. I'll put the link of this file in the description, or you can create your own data, whatever you want. Let me tell you what I have in this file. So this is the basic import. I have imported the images from assets folder. If you see this assets folder, this I've imported all the images from this project images. Okay, then this is the data project, the name of the array, which is an array of objects, and the single object contains the name of the project, which is COVID-19 tracker, then image is coming from this imported image, and then deployed URL, this is hard coded, and my deployed URL it is, and then GitHub URL, this is also hard coded. And then you should focus on this category. Now what is this category array, guys? This category array basically consists all the technologies used in this project. In this case this is react.js, and if I go to this one DevTalks, it is made with node.js, MongoDB, react.js, and basically this category array helps us to filter it out. I will show you how this category array helps us to filter out all the projects based on the navbar click. Then go to project.js, and guys I have exported this. Look at this, I have export default data projects. I basically exported the array, and what I will do, I will import it here. It is more clean, right? Import data project, as this is default. So from dot is array, data / projects data. Okay, I got the data projects. Now I can use this. Okay, let's follow the same approach. I will map over the array, which is data project, and then dot map, I will get every project. Okay, then create a separate component. and what I will name this component, let's say project card, and remember to import the component. And then I will put a key property which should be unique, and in this case the name is unique, so project dot name. Cool. And then give a value, let's say property project, and I will pass the whole project object. I just make it capital project card. Okay, and if you are confused like what the heck is going on here, please watch the last two videos because I have explained in details in those videos. Okay, so then create a new component. Make sure this is in components folder, which is project card .js. There's rsc react stateless component. Oops, it did not work. rsc, yeah, rsc. And now this div dot class name, this is project card. Cool. Now what? Let's go to wireframe. Okay, so basically I need a wrapper and then this image, and this image will be wrapped inside an anchor tag, and then this name, and then this icon will be wrapped inside an anchor tag. Okay, so cool. I'll be using figure here to wrap the component, wrap the div. You can also use as a separate div. And then the class name, which is project card, let's say wrapper. And then inside this there is an anchor tag. Okay, the link I'll put it later. And then the image, the image source I'll put it later, image alt I'll put it later. And then class name, which is project card image. Cool. And then again I'll follow the same anchor tag and image. Div dot project title or project card title. Okay, and then put it here. And then this will be a GitHub link, this anchor tag, and I will give it another property which is target blank. And what it will do, it will open this link in a new tab. Okay, so now our project card skeleton is pretty much done. And okay, so I need to make this project card responsive, right? So what I will do, I will use column md6, and this is coming from Bootstrap, and column md6 and another class which is column lg4. And what does it mean? Okay, so column md6 means it will take 12 columns up to medium screen, and from medium screen it will take 6 columns. And then column lg4, another class, which means this will take 6 columns from medium screen to large screen, and from large screen it will take 4 columns. Okay, so now let's just destructure our required value, which is, I guess, a project is coming as an object. And then from this project, the member, name, image, deployed URL, GitHub URL. I need this for. So name, image, hey, okay, name, image, and then this deployed URL. Okay, put it here. And then this GitHub URL, just copy it out, GitHub URL. Okay, cool. In this anchor tag it will put deployed URL, and then the image source, it should be image. Alternate tag, it should be the image name, I mean the project name. And then this project card title, this anchor tag will be GitHub URL, and this image source here. Okay, so I need to import a GitHub icon, so let's just import it. So import, I don't know what it is, so from dot slash asset slash icon slash GitHub. Okay, so the name is GitHub, GitHub, GitHub. Okay, cool. And just put the source here, GitHub, and then alternate tag, let's say GitHub link. Okay, we are done. Let's look at the project. Hope there is no error. Hey, oh, project card is not defined. Again, import it. Project on just, okay, I'll get auto import. Okay, good. I hope there is no error. There is no error. Go to projects. hey, cannot read property name of undefined. Okay, what I am sending project and then I am destructuring from projects. कैसे चलेगा? So just and now yeah, cool. Okay, so I'm getting all the projects. Cool. Okay, so let's do some CSS. Open the index.css right here, just make it right. Cool. Go to projects. I don't need this project data anymore. Okay, then projects. Okay, cool. Just projects, copy it out, comment it out, and then dot projects. Okay, and then I need to give it a fixed height, which is, let's say, 72 vertical height. You can check it out what you need in your project, and then just give it a padding top of, let's say, 30 pixel. Then I need overflow Y so that I can get a scroll bar. Overflow Y, which is what? Auto. Cool. Let's look at this. Okay, so I'm getting the scroll bar and my height is fixed. Okay, then let's move to this project card, and let's go to project card, and this project card is already styled with column MD6, column LG6. Go to copy this project card wrapper, just dot project card wrapper. Then what I need here, I need a margin at top and bottom, so margin 10 pixel 0. Cool. Give it a width of 100% because it will hold our image, right? So then height is 100%, and I need to give it a minimum height so that this image does not look ugly with other images. Okay, 160 pixel. Cool. Let's see what we have. I need to style the image. Okay, so now get the project card image, copy it out, and why this is, hey, this GitHub icon right here, it should be project card icon. Okay, just change it, and then project card image, copy it out, dot project card image. Give it width of 100%, height of 80%. Okay, then just give it a border radius, a slight border radius of 2 pixels solid, and then my green color, this cute green here. Okay, let's see. Wow. Okay, this is happening because this icon, let's just resize the icon, which is project card icon, because this icon is, just expanding the height, right? So project card icon, just give it a width of 25 pixel, height of 25 pixel. Cool. Let's see, we hope. Yeah, look at this. Hey, it already looks nice. Okay, so I need a bit more border radius here, and let's then just, I need to change the text color here. Okay, border radius, let's say 2 pixel to 30 pixel, and then this project card title, and in this project card title there is the icon and the name, right? So in this icon, and then, hey, where is the name? I put the name here, the second bracket, this name. Okay, this name is coming from this structured value. Anyway, this project card title, copy it out, give it a margin top of 12 pixel, and then font size 1 rem, and then to make the content vertical and horizontal center, I'll use display flex, and then align item center, which will make this horizontally center, and then justify content center, which will make this vertically center. Okay, so let's look at this right now. Cool. But my image border radius did not work. Wow, how can I give this border radius? Border 1 pixel solid, this one. You guys are probably thinking about what the heck this guy is doing, man. I mean, this guy is giving a solid border radius. Wow. Anyway, okay, now it should work. Okay, look at this. Okay, and then I guess there is some problem. My container is not working. I guess container row, there is some problem in container row. And if I go, this is row, and oh, container. Oof, this freaking typo. So now this container should give a padding. Okay, now let's design the navbar. Let's go step by step. First create all the nav elements inside the project card. I've done with the project card, and then project.js. okay, inside the row, I don't make it inside a row, let's make it, and just create a div which is projects underscore navbar. Okay, and then let's make around 4 or 5 elements. Let's say div, and I'll not give any class name because all the elements will be its direct child, so I can access it using CSS. So just div, and let's say put all, and copy it out for time. Okay, then just make it, let's say React, this is a nav, and then React, this is, let's say, MongoDB, and then this is Node, and then this is vanilla.js. Okay, so what's the goal here? The goal is, if I click on this all, it will list out all the projects, right? And if I click on the React, it will re-render the component with only those projects which is made with React. And then for this, again, this is same for MongoDB, and this is nodes, and then vanilla. I mean, if I click on vanilla, it will list out all the projects that are made with vanilla. Okay, so how can I achieve that? So first of all, I need a React state here which holds all our projects. And if I click on React, I need to create a function which will basically filter it out all the projects that are made with React, and then put those projects in the state. And same for node, same for vanilla. Like if I click on node, I need to create a function which will basically filter out all those projects that are made with node, and if the state change, it will automatically re-render. That's the basic concept of React. So also let's use state and create a state which is, let's say, const projects set projects, use state. I'll auto import it, and then it is, first of all, by default, I mean, the first render should be all, right? So I need to fill it with data projects, which is basically the global array which consists all the projects. And then in this case, what I am re-rendering, or not projects, is projects, and then I will map it over projects, not data projects, because this is the state now. Okay, so at this point our app should be same. Okay, just this navbar elements, but my app is still same. Okay, now make the functionality. Okay, so I will first create a function which will basically filter out all those projects. Let's say the name of the function is handle filter category. Okay, and then this will take an argument which is, let's say, name, and then what it will do, and then it will filter it out from the global array. The global array is data projects dot filter. This filter is a array function. It will take the project object, let's say, and then it will check the project dot category dot includes the name. Okay, so what I am doing here, I am filtering over this data projects array, and remember, this data projects array is the global array. where all our projects are stored, and then this is filtering out all those projects which includes the name. Let's say I have this react.js here as name, and then it will check this projects.category.includes react.js. Is it exist in the category array? And what is the category array? This category array is this project data. Look at this, every object has this category array, which is react.js, means this project is made with react.js, and then comma, let's say this one is node.js mongodb. Okay, it's quite simple. So then I will add this on click property with every elements apart from the all. So on click, what it will do, it will fire a function which is handle filter category, and then for this one will send react.js. For mongodb, this one will say mongodb. Make sure there is no typo here, this should match with exactly this one. And for node.js, this is node.js. Okay, and for the vanilla, cool. And now for the all, it will just reset the array. On click, let's say it will fire a function which is set projects, and it will just reset the array with the data projects. And let's see if it's working or not. If I click on react, it's not working. If I click on mongodb, it's not working. If I click on node, it's not working. And why it's not working? Cause we are filtering out all the elements, I mean all the projects from the data projects, but we are not changing the state, right? So just create another variable which is new array, okay, which will store all the filtered elements, and then set projects with new array. Now it will work. Look at this. If I click on react, okay, look at this, this is only those two projects which are made with react, and then mongodb, then this is for node, then this is for vanilla. Okay, now let's design this navbar. Guys, my recording was stopped somehow, and that's why a little bit interruption. Okay, so let's design this project's navbar. Expand the style, go to project's navbar, dot project navbar, and just make it display flex. Okay, it will work. And then target every div. So dot projects navbar, and then div, just give it a margin of 0 pixel top and bottom and 5 pixel left and right. Change the font size to 1 rem, and then change the cursor to pointer. Okay, cool. Let's see. It already looks nice. And then I just need to give it a hover effect on this image, and then a little bit of gap between these projects. Let's select the project card image, dot project card image, and on hover, and then transform scale 1.1 or 1.2 or 1.05, anyway. And then just add a transition here, which is transition transform property for 0.3 seconds and linear. Cool. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it is cool. Okay, then I need a gap between these projects, so I can do a margin Y using Bootstrap. And what I will do, I will go to project card. Okay, and then either I can design on project tar card. It's not project tar card, it should be project card anyway. And then I will give a margin Y of 2. So it will give margin on Y axis. It's a Bootstrap class, and look at this, it looks nice. And then I need a margin on this icon. Okay, so go to the icon, yeah, this one, projector icon. Okay, just give it a margin right of 5 pixel. Fine. And then this project navbar, just give it a margin bottom. Okay, probably I will make a video to upgrade this CSS to Bootstrap 5. Anyway, let's look at the project. Okay, it looks cool. And now let's check the responsiveness of this project. So okay, if I go to medium screen and then okay, cool, fine. If I go here, cool, go for mobile, that is cool. Okay, and then I need to change the scroll bar, right? So I need to change the color of the scroll bar, so let's do that. It's pretty simple. Go to top, okay, then select the WebKit scroll bar, give it a width of 10 pixel, and then select WebKit scroll bar thumb is WebKit scroll bar thumb, and just give it a background color, and the background colors will be same as this background image. Yeah, cool. And then let's see what I have. Okay, look at this guys. Okay, so that's all for this video, and in the next video I'll do some animation using React Framer motion, and again I will attach the code in the description, and you will also get this project data file in the description. Okay, so see you in the next video.